Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shanice, the mother of many. Anyway, y'all, I forgot to say that in the beginning because baby girl just started wanting me and start talking. But anyway, welcome to my channel.
As soon as I was hitting that last stairs,
She was like, "Mama." We was like, "Mama." What?
child, that girl spoiled. I'm gonna try to do what I do in a day, another one today. I'm trying to post like 3 times a week or maybe 3 times a day. We're gonna see how it goes. You'll see. Anyway, see I'm a little bit because I gotta get refreshing. I'm waiting for something to get out the dryer. I need to wipe my eyes out, get my mouth together. Because I had to heal my mouth, y'all. God helped, of course, but gave me the knowledge. And I didn't have to go get no antibiotics. Period. Having babies mess your teeth up. But my teeth not that bad. I chipped something when I was keto last year. So, was it last year? It was this year. And I had to stop. It's like February or something like that. If y'all remember that. But let me go get myself fresh.
Listen, I don't know about y'all, but I feel like that coffee makes your day better. I feel like my coffee time is just everything to me. I ain't gonna lie, because baby, I've been like, ugh, I gotta get up and be a mom today. Don't get it wrong. I'm happy about being a mom and getting up and doing all that. But about this new news, it done got me real tired. So, yeah, mom life and having to get that first cup of coffee just make my day. As you know, I'm a mom of a big crew. So we clean up today, Thursday. We do Sabbath. And so we getting stuff cleaned up. And this is what I'm about to do with my might be pregnant self. But I'm still going to do it. Yeah. Couch dirty. That's what happened. We've been here for about, what, 2 months now? Yeah. Yeah. Kids broke it or what, but I finally got the hang of it afterwards. Anyway, I was so annoyed, I almost gave up. I ended up letting my preteen finish out anyway, because all that bending over was starting to hurt me.
Hey, you guys. Anyway, I had my preteen son go ahead and finish out what I started because I was starting to hurt. But anyway, I was starting to realize, like, oh, let me go back and clarify the date that that CD came out. It came out 2004. I was like, no, 13 going on 14. Your daddy is working. Hush. Excuse me, y'all. So, anyway, I had me some lunch. And that's the thing about knowing if you're pregnant or not. Like, baby, what? Trying to lose this weight, it's a blessing and a curse. So, I mean, it is what it is. But this time, I had these beautiful babies or baby. I'm focusing on me. I might breastfeed for 6 weeks, but that's about it. And I'm pumping it. Anyway, see y'all later.
Frying chicken tonight. Hey y'all, so I know about frying chicken or whatever. So this time ending my day, my night, I'm cooking dinner. I know about frying chicken, but I saw this guy and on YouTube, like he does like food reviews. He drives around. I would tag him on here. But he went to his mom's house, had her to cook him some fried chicken. I think it was some pork chop. Baby, we don't do pork, but the chicken. I followed her recipe of like the wet, and like she didn't put no egg, none of that. She just did the cornstarch flour and her seasoning. And baby, I'm looking at how my chicken is turning out. Oh my God, I'm on my second dose. Let me let y'all see it. My second drop. I ain't never seen chicken pretty like this before. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's giving KF. It's giving Popeyes them. But yeah, I'm following her directions. And this is something I always did already. I put my chicken in the oven for a little bit. And so I got 4 pieces in there now. Chilling. Let me let y'all see what I'm looking like. Oh my God, what is that? I don't know, it might be. We'll see. But yeah, I'm over here frying this chicken up on mac and cheese and some veggies on the side. Cause listen, and oh, and the biscuit. I didn't make my biscuits homemade, but I got some homemade already cooked. So I'm gonna put them in there. But y'all, my chicken is looking good, bro. That's one thing about the older. His mama like she might be 45, maybe 50. I told my husband, I said, oh, please. And I let him taste it. He was like, oh my God. I said, yeah. I got that from YouTuber, his mom. So yeah, they're getting. One thing I did forget to do was cut holes in them. And so I went back while they was frying and poked holes in them. So anyway, I'll see y'all when I'm done because it's a lot of work. Bye. Hey y'all, so I'm ending out my video and this is how my chicken came out. I'm so excited. My husband already done tearing his up. He already ate one. He got 3 pieces. I'm gonna taste mine and see what my crunch sound like so we can get back to this inside out too. Oh. It's good. Juicy. It's so good and very flavorful. Oh, it's good. See y'all later. Thank you for watching my video. I have a good night. Peace.